This is for home care use and great for anyone dealing with skin concerns like fine lines, wrinkles, sagging, dullness, dehydration, and even mild pigmentation. Collagen 100 from Matrigen is designed to restore firmness and bounce to the skin while deeply hydrating and supporting long term elasticity. If your skin's starting to feel thinner, less plump, or just not as tight as it used to be, this formula helps bring back that youthful, juicy look. What makes it different is the texture. It's lightweight, non sticky, and absorbs fast, but still gives that deep, cushiony hydration. You won't get that heavy film some collagen products leave behind. It layers really well under moisturizers or makeup, making it ideal for day or night use, and works for all skin types, including oily or sensitive. The five key ingredients are hydrolyzed collagen for firmness and elasticity, Panthenol to calm and hydrate, sodium hyaluronate for deep moisture, adenosine to smooth and target wrinkles, and betaine to help retain water in the skin. Together, they target the visible signs of aging and overall skin laxity. To use it, apply it to clean skin after toner and before moisturizer, morning and night. You only need a small amount and it blends in easily. If you're using other serums, this can go in between your lighter water based ones and your heavier creams. It plays really well with ingredients like peptides, niacinamide, and vitamin C, but skip combining with harsh exfoliants in the same step, especially if your skin is sensitive. With consistent use, most people start to notice an improvement in firmness and hydration within 1 to 2 weeks. In one case study, a client using it twice daily saw visible plumpness in the cheeks and reduced nasolabial lines by week 4. Skin also appeared brighter, with less dullness and patchy texture. A great expert tip: use this with a gua sha or facial roller to massage the product in. It boosts circulation and helps the active ingredients absorb better while supporting lymphatic drainage. This can make your skin feel firmer instantly and improve tone and texture over time.
So, what's the difference between Volufine and collagen?
Both are home care serums, but they target different concerns. Volufine 100 is all about adding volume and plumping. It uses a unique plant based ingredient called volufiline, which works by promoting fat storage in targeted areas. This makes it ideal for hollow cheeks, smile lines, or anywhere your skin is losing density. Think of it like a natural, gradual filler, adding cushion back into your face over time. Now, Collagen 100 is focused on firming and elasticity. It's packed with hydrolyzed collagen that penetrates deep into the skin to help rebuild structure. It's a go to for sagging skin, fine lines, and overall skin fatigue. Basically, if Volufine adds the volume, collagen supports the structure. They're both lightweight and safe to use daily. You can even layer them. Apply Volufine first to targeted areas for plumping, then Collagen 100 for an all over firming boost. So if your concern is lifting and bounce, go with collagen. But if you're looking to restore fullness and facial contour, Volufine is your pick. Or combine both for powerful anti aging results.